Okay, in today's class now we will we'll try making some circuits just for an introduction type. Okay, and I want all of you to try it. So once again, same question: has everybody logged in from your laptop, or do you have like a laptop with you guys right now? You have it, right? Okay. If most of you have it, then great. Then okay, you will come to a place that looks something. It should look something like this. Everybody sees this. Actually, actually you will have to sign in using Google account. So wait, I'll just do it like from scratch for you guys. Okay, so tinkercad.com. If you do, you will end up in. Wait 1 second. Okay, Janvi has a doubt. What's your doubt? Sir, I don't get link. Same on mine, please. Janvi, what's your doubt, Janvi? So let me log out and show you how to sign in from beginning. Okay. If you log out in Tinkercad, you will see something like this. Okay, you will see this whole page like this. Okay, from next class onwards, you'll be joining a separate class. Okay, so for now, when you see this, you will click on this sign in link on the top right. There's one sign in now. You click on sign in, and then it'll ask you this. It'll ask you this question here. So in this place now, you need to click on sign in with Google. So most of you will have a Google account, or your parents will have a Google account. So you click on sign in with Google, and it'll ask you which Google account and all that. So we'll see the next step. So yeah. So now it will ask me to sign in with my Google account. So I will type my email ID and password. Uh, Okay, wait. I don't want to show you my password, but you'll have to type your password, and then you will log in. And then after doing all the steps, you will come to this page. You will see this page basically. Okay. So wait. People have doubts. What doubts do you have? Um, you will come to. Wait. It's loading. It's loading. Just give me 1 second. Yeah. You'll come to this place. Okay. I have a doubt. Vaishnavi has a doubt. Yeah. I'll answer. Just give me. Um. Okay. Can everybody did everybody come to this place? They click on circuits. Like you won't see these circuits. Okay, these are my circuits that I've done. You will see empty, but you have to click on create new circuit. Whoever got this far, that's great. Okay. Uh, okay. Then okay, wait. You have yeah. You guys have doubts? Sandeep, Durva, and all.
You tell us hello.
We'll see if you have more doubts. Okay. So the first thing we're gonna learn about today is where is that thing? So the first thing we're going to learn about today is learn how to light an LED bulb. Okay, how to use a battery, how to use different electronic components and all that we will learn today. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take this LED and bring it here. So this component here now is called an LED bulb. This red one is there, right? I can make it big and small. So this one, in real life, it looks a bit different. In real life, it looks like this. This is what an LED bulb looks like in real life. It's like transparent glass will be around it, and in the center there'll be some electronics. So if I click on this button now, the LED light turns on. So it's like this. Okay, so this small bulb, like these days, like almost LED lights are used everywhere. Okay, like in traffic lights, in it's used in like home lights, everywhere they use LED these days. It's actually a pretty powerful lighting device. Okay, it's a very good device also. So this device now, if you want to light it on, you need some kind of power to it. Okay, you need to use like a battery. All of you have seen what a battery looks like. So this here is a battery with me. So I'm gonna so we will understand how, like, this is like basics. Some of you might already know how to do this, but we'll just start again. Okay, so we'll learn how to use a battery to light an LED. Okay, so so let me start sharing my screen again. So in this so we have an LED, right? So let me go ahead and get myself a battery. So there's a battery called 9-volt battery. Okay, it looks like this. It looks a bit big like that. I don't know if you can see my camera, but this is what it looks like. I'm showing it on my camera. So this is a 9-volt battery, and we will see how to use this 9 volt battery to power up this LED. Okay. So one thing you guys need to remember, this one you write it down. Okay. So this device is called LED, LED capital, and full form we don't have to worry about it. So this device now, it has one side, it has two wires, one wire on the right, one wire on the left. So the wire on the right in this case, which is slightly bent now, slightly bent and it's longer, this wire is the positive wire. So and the wire on the left is the negative wire. So wire on the right is positive, wire on the left is negative. So it's like that only. So just like how your TV remote also, you can't change positive negative, you have to put battery seedha, like that only this LED also, you need to put seedha only. So positive of the LED should go to positive of the battery. So anyways, let's do the connections. Okay, so in the battery, right, the positive of the battery is always given by red color. So whichever is red color, it is the positive, whichever is black color is the negative. So I will take this red color, I will take it and attach it to my LED like this, and I'll make this red color also. Okay, and like that only, I will take this black color, I'll take it and attach it to the left side, which is the negative, and make it black color like this. Okay, so right side is positive, left side is negative. Okay, done. So basically when you want components and when you want to take like different LED battery and all, on the right side it'll all of it will be there, like different all like everything that you want will be on the right side. So all you have to do is just look for it, click on it, and drag it and bring it to your dashboard like this. Okay, so like you can just scroll down, there are many different things that we can play with. So we can play with any of these things. So you can get another battery if you want, it's like that, you can get whatever you want. Okay, so after doing this connection, we click on this button that says start simulation on the top. Okay, start simulation. Can somebody tell me what's going to happen based on what we learned in the last class? Can somebody tell me what's going to happen if I just connect the battery like this directly? Bunch of you have raised your hands. Do you have answers to that? If you have answers, go ahead and answer it. Can you help your other friends also? Like if they're having some doubts or something, you can help them out. So anyways, let's do this. Okay, I'll just start simulating. Let's see what happens to the LED. The LED bursts. The LED literally explodes. LED cannot handle this much power. Okay. Okay, Kritika, yes, you have something to. Kritika, that's the right page. Click on sign in with email. Okay, you're all on mute. Like you have doubts, you can ask me. But it's very sensitive device. It can't handle too much current. So in order to not make it explode like this, what we do is we use a device called a resistor. So this device here is called a resistor. Okay, and resistor is like a very important component in electronics. Uh, so now let me connect the LED to the battery and let's see what happens. And the LED turns on. Everybody sees it. It's on, right? So if I turn it off, it's off. If I turn it on, the LED is on. You can see it glowing. You can see it glowing, right? So this is the principle. So let me like briefly explain what a resistor is. Okay, everybody imagine this. Okay, imagine a pipe. Okay, a water pipe, plastic PVC pipe, and there is water flowing through that pipe. So this pipe. So in this pipe, right, if you try to and there's water flowing very fast, let's say a lot of powerful, like it's like a fire truck, right, fire truck, when they're trying to turn off a fire from a building or something, the water coming from that hose will be very powerful and very fast, right, and you can't actually, like if you try drinking water from that, you'll probably get hurt or something. You can't actually drink water from that. So what you do is, when you add a resistor to the when you add a what you do is you take that pipe and you squeeze it, you hold it very tight so that very little water will come out from the other side. That's what a resistor does. So if you imagine current as water and there's water flowing through the pipe, resistor is basically you holding it tightly. So resistor also, the electricity that goes to the LED, right, it will take this big amount of electricity and it will allow very small amount of electricity to go through it and supply the LED. So you can control how much electricity flows by using a resistor. Got it, right? So this is what a resistor's purpose is. So let's do this, okay? Let's if everybody came so far, it'll be great. So Aryan has done something. So a little bit about more about this software, right? This Tinkercad software. So suppose you make a mistaken connection, like let's say okay, wait. So let's say you've accidentally drawn some extra wire like this and all, and you want to delete it, okay? So what you do is, if you want to delete it, you can do two things. You can click on this wire, it will get selected, and you can just press the button delete on your laptop or keyboard. If you just press delete, it'll go away. It's like that. So this is one thing. And so one more thing is, if you want to press delete, you can click on the wire, and there's this one dustbin option on the top left. On the left of your screen is a dustbin option. If you click on that delete also, it'll get deleted. So it's like that. You can delete anything. You can delete this whole battery only if you want, but don't do it. So let me do the connection again. Wait 1 second. Okay, cool. So so it's like this, okay? You can you can draw the wire however you want. Okay, so this wire is it's flexible. You can make it any shape you want, as long as the wire is connected to wherever it has to be connected, it will work. So you don't have to worry about those things. So you guys, have you guys heard about DC motor? Do you know what a motor is? You have doubt. Where is it? Yes, Eldred says yes. Okay, that's great. Other people has doubts. Like, wait, okay, you guys still have doubts? You can.
Hello?
Yes.
Sir, I open and there is coming a box.
What is coming?
The box, sir.
So, battery. So the battery is red is there, right? Which is the black, which is the positive. Take the positive and attach it to the right of the LED. Color of wire doesn't matter. Color of wire is just so that we can make it look nice and neat. That's all. Color of wire does not matter. Don't worry. So, but this connection should go here, and this connection should go here. Only then it will work. समझ गया? Okay.
सर ये भी वर्क नहीं कर रहा है आपने किया.
हाँ नहीं it won't work. It won't work like. Cool. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Harshal made it. That's great. Okay, Aniket has a doubt, and Ravi. Okay, Aniket, tell me.
Sir, I have dozen option start simulation.
Yeah, you have done it, and did you click on start simulation?
No, I have no option.
You have no option. Can you